Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2014 MOFFETT M55 showing 2546 hours. It has a 10-foot mast. You have yourself brick and block forks. Now with this brick and block forks, if you want regular pallet forks, we can switch those out for free. You have about 70% tires all the way around. Now this thing has been refurbished and repainted. When we repaint these, we take off the roll cage. Most of these gray covers that come off with bolts, the back door, the diamond plating, you can see that manifold cover has been removed. See the roll cage has been off, you have new bolts, the new seat. Now what we do is we take that all off and paint the gray parts separately, like the roll cage, the covers, and then what we do is put it back together, same way with the door and the hood, so we can get way in here deep and make a nice paint job. We also date code and change your oil and date coat your filters so you can hit the ground running. Look at the nice knee deep rubber, all your new decals. We also look for things wearable such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, chains, rollers, anything wearable. We take care of it if it's out of spec. Same way when we pressure leak test the system. If we find a leaking hose or a bad cylinder or a weak wheel motor or pump, it's taken care of. You can see there's new hoses here and there where it's been needed. Now this thing has yourself a Kubota engine. Now you'll get what you call an operational guarantee. What that means is it's going to be condition I'm showing you here today. If something's wrong in between now and then, we'll help you get it fixed. That's over once you get it, but you can buy it online if you'd like with the guaranteed operational. It's going to be the way I've said in the video. Now that's over once you get it, and it's the way I said, but don't worry, this engine's backed up for an additional 30 days. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up, show you a little mast operations, take it for a spin around the shop, and then we'll end the video. Here's the mast going up and down. Tilt. Side shift. Mast going in and out. Outriggers. Now we'll take it for a spin around the shop. Ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching our video.